Hey guys, back with another video. And if you guys can't hear me because the audio is really bad on this, it's not my camera, but it's the audio on this web recorder. So, I'm just going to be looking at some of the Comic-Con figures. So let's get started. So, yeah, sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's like really bad. Audio is so bad. Alright, so the first figure we have Carl Anderson with the t-shirt and World Tag Team titles. Luke Gallows with that Biggie vest, they just painted it. Stone Cold, Elite, Batista Bar. James Ellsworth, Elite, Ember Moon, Jack Gallagher. I do not know who this is, but it seems like he's Mean Gene Okerlund. Maurice, this is one of my favorite figures in Comic-Con. Neville, Macho Man, Randy Savage, Scott Too Hottie, Ty Dillinger. Love that figure. Oh. Jameson Cesaro. Surprised these things didn't come with the tag team titles. Braun Strowman, Mickie James, Elias Samson. And that is it. Sorry. So, thank you guys for watching. Sorry about the audio again. See you guys later.